Hi guys, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us today. We are going to be talking about the Mini Kelly II. I have two of them behind me. I have Rouge Celia and Noir, both with gold hardware. Both of them are brand new, and we're going to do a little review just about the Mini Kelly as a whole. So before we get stuck in talking about the present day Mini Kelly, which is known as the Mini Kelly II, there was a Mini Kelly 20 previously, and you may still be able to find them on the secondary market, a vintage version. So this is called the Mini Kelly 20, and this was substantially taller and had a much more rounded handle. The Mini Kelly 20's measurements were 20 centimeters across the bottom, of course, 16 centimeters tall and 10 centimeters deep. There is also a micro Mini Kelly. The micro Kelly size is 15 across the bottom, 11 centimeters tall and 5 centimeters deep. So it's not too far off the height and depth of the Mini Kellys that you can see behind me, but the distance from corner to corner across the bottom is 5 centimeters shorter. So let's get back to the Mini Kelly II. So this is a Mini Kelly II. This is the modern day Kelly 20. And as you can see, it's got this little top handle that doesn't really serve a purpose to go on your wrist. However, obviously you can hold it in your hands. This is a very nice model of Hermes bag and is one of the most sought after bags that you can purchase in the store without a special order, and the reason for that is because they are really rare. We don't see them very often, particularly in black. The one behind us is in Rouge Celia, and both of these models are in Chevre Chamkilla. Now this particular leather is a shiny goat skin. So what I found out when I was doing my research on these leathers is that all of the Hermes goatskin leathers are actually produced or sourced in India, and they all have names relating to the region. So Chevre is not an Indian name, but Chamkilla, I hope I'm saying that right, means shiny or bright in Hindi. So this particular bag I took out for a photo shoot and it absolutely glistened in the sun. It looked so spectacular. It looked like there were hundreds of diamonds on it and they were all sparkling in the light. It really is a beautiful leather. But what's also great about goatskin is that they are very rigid, so they stand firm, but also they're robust, so they do stand the test of time. They really are great leathers to have on small leather goods. The measurements for the Mini Kelly II, the modern Mini Kelly, are 20, 16 and 6. So it is a very petite bag to use. So while I was doing my research, I discovered that there are whispers that Hermes are no longer going to be producing the Chevre Mysore leather, and that this particular leather, the Chamkilla, is going to be replacing it. Again, I don't know whether this is fact or fiction, and we will only know when we stop seeing bags and items made in the Mysore leather. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. The Mini Kelly is only produced in the Celia style, which is this very defined style. This particular model, the Mini Kelly II, is a very trapezoid shape. It has definite and clear lines. Now, you may look at the bag and think, how am I going to wear this? How can I make this work for me and my wardrobe? Now, black obviously is a neutral that we can wear year round. I'm wearing white today and I took photographs with this bag that are up on our Instagram and it looks spectacular. I held it in my hand, but it comes with the crossbody strap, which is great for daytime wear. It gives it an understated, edgy look and makes it just a touch more casual. For wearing out in the evening, I would hold the bag via the top handle. I'd take the crossbody strap off, store it away, and it becomes an uber elegant and sexy, classy bag. This model has a singular rolled handle, and as I said, it comes with the crossbody strap also. Internally, it's lambskin and it has a little slip pocket which can fit credit cards in. A question that I have had about the Mini Kelly when people have purchased from us is, where's the lock, key and clochette? Unfortunately, as sad as it is, the Mini Kelly does not come with the lock, the key and the bell leather holder, which is called the clochette. I think that that's really sad. I do think that they could make some little diddy ones specifically for the Mini Kelly. I think it would just look absolutely gorgeous, but Hermes don't. So we've touched on the leather, we've talked about the fact that this is a shiny goat skin, and this model is usually only found in Epsom or in the goat skin Mysore. Recently we're finding it in this Shamkila, which is exactly the same leather for both of the bags that I have today. I do know that these bags also come in crocodile, ostrich and alligator, and one of the most stunning bags that I've ever seen was a Mini Kelly with a matte alligator skin. It just looked fantastic. However, they are very, very rare. It's nigh impossible to find them on the market, and for the everyday shopper, I would say that this is definitely the ultimate bag. So I thought I'd do a colour comparison and show you. So this is the black and this is the Rouge Celia, and these are both quite neutral shades. Even though this is classed as a red, it is definitely a neutral. I've modelled it with multiple different colours and I did think that it went well, but clearly the black is the winner for me. They are both beautiful bags. They're both just exquisite to hold and to wear. And I do think that Mini Kelly is probably one of my absolute favourite Hermes bags. We really hope that you enjoyed the video today about the Mini Kelly II. Don't forget that here at Love Luxury in Knightsbridge on Beauchamp Place, we have bags like this for sale every single day. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.